Model 2016 Peugeot Boxer 335 L2 diesel 2.2 HDi H2 professional van 130 PS body, white, panel van mileage, 70,471 MOT, the 30th of March 2024 engine, 2,198 cc 4 HHB transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.